Further, for dictionaries, we have such functions which we are going to learn. If we have to add values on a specific key in a dictionary, how will we add those values on keys? First, we declared an empty dictionary on its 0 key Python. On 2 key lesson, on 3 we have to place 1. If I am going to print this, then it will give printout like this. First, it printed empty dictionary. Then next on 0 key, it printed Python. On 2 lesson and 3, it has printed 1. You must have noticed one thing here, that the alignment of keys is not in linear way. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can assign any key here and place value against it. If I give a key XYZ, if I'm going to print it now, then the value of key XYZ is lesson. We can place mixed keys here. Same if we place different values. We have a dictionary. Its key is value set. The value in this will be 234. If I run this with previous code, how will it run? This is a previous dictionary. In this, it has added a new tuple in the end with the name of value set. With this, we have understood that one combination tuple of different values, integers or characters or strings can be added like this, instead of linear or single values. If we have to update some values, it says to update index 2 in dictionary. We removed key 2 from here. Now we will do it with 1. We don't have index 1, so it has updated nothing against it. We have updated on 0 because our 1 and 2 index keys are not available in the dictionary. We updated on 0. Welcome is printed out on 0. If we have to print out nested key values, we have nested dictionary and we have to assign values. We have to add values on key 5. The values on key 1 is live. 2 is Python developer. If we ran this on 0, it printed out the previous dictionary. It added a new key 5 and printed nested dictionary against it. On key 5, the values are of a complete nested dictionary. Here we learned how to add values in a dictionary in different ways. Next, we have to access the values. We have to get them from a dictionary. From one dictionary, how can we get values? If we have to get them from this, we have several methods. First, we have a dictionary. These are the values available. We will place a key that will be a dictionary name. In square brackets, after comma, we will pass the name of the key. In the output, it will give us the value put against that key.